वेलकम टू माय शो।
थैंक यू।
सब कहते हैं कि आप एक दीवा हैं। क्या आप मानती हैं?
दीवा, अब दीवा के काफ़ी सारे डेफिनेशंस हो सकते हैं, मायने हो सकते हैं। आप मुझे बताएं दीवा का आपके लिए क्या डेफिनेशन है और हम आपको बताएंगे हम हैं या नहीं।
Well, I would say that diva is someone who is glamorous, and a lot of people think कि उन्हें देखना चाहिए स्टाइल के लिए, या जैसे वो कपड़े पहनते हैं, या जैसे उनका एक कैरेज है।
By that definition, inshallah, yes. I think I'm a diva then. But मुझे ये भी लगता है कि कई बार हम जिस स्टाइल को या जिस स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करते हैं, अडेप्ट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, वो देखने से ज़्यादा पहन कर, अपना कर ज़्यादा पता चलता है. So if I think each one of us is a diva. You men don't get to have that privilege, but that's okay. Women, I think each one has their own personalities. Each one has their own diva-ish personality. It's really a matter of आप कितना उसको explore करते हैं, कितना अपना ख्याल रखते हैं.
But
So,
not
yeah.
many women have the confidence that you have. आप में ये जब आपकी पहली फिल्म भी आई थी, and then before you became then you became Miss Universe, before your first film, of course, you were very confident, the way you spoke and the way you carried yourself. So confidence क्या आप में cultivated हुआ या हमेशा था?
नहीं जी, बिल्कुल नहीं था. In fact, Manish, you've probably seen me around that time. मैं आप सबको एक बात ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगी कि मनीष मल्होत्रा जो यहाँ हमारे साथ आज स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं, इन्होंने मेरी पहली फिल्म दस्तक से अब तक सारी फिल्में, ज़्यादातर फिल्में इन्होंने की है. मैं हूं ना इन्होंने की है, बेवफा, मैंने प्यार क्यों किया. इतने सारे मैं हो रहे हैं इन द लास्ट ईयर. इट्स बीन प्रीटी क्योटिक, बट नहीं, वो कॉन्फिडेंस पहले नहीं था. मैं एक लंबी सी, लैंकी, थिन, टॉल गर्ल from school. I used to always think that I was a very gawky looking thing, you know. फिर ज़िंदगी आपको काफ़ी सारे मौके देती है जहाँ पर आप एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पर, एक ऐसे स्टेज पर खड़े होते हैं जहाँ पर दुनिया आपको देखती है और आप सोचने लगते हैं कि ऐसा मौका, ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी सबको नहीं मिलता. तो जब आपको मिला है, you better make the most of it. And that confidence that we speak of, वो आज भी backstage, I'm always going, okay, please, I shouldn't mess up anything, please.
Really?
I hope
Why can't you imagine
yeah. Oh, what all projection can do. But yeah, I'm human and I have my moments.
But Aishwarya Rai was a model, a known model before she got into the contest. So कभी आपके दिल में ये आया कि ये already एक established model है, मैं भी उसी competition में जा रही हूँ?
कभी आया मतलब मैं तो डर गई थी बहुत बुरी तरह से. एक तो ऐश्वर्या had just done her commercial. She was Sanju in the Pepsi commercial, and I remember जब मैं अपना नाम भरने गई मिस इंडिया के लिए, तो मुझे रंजन बख्शी जी ने बोला कि पता है आपको 25 लड़कियों ने अपना नाम निकाल लिया है लिस्ट से, because Miss Aishwarya Rai is entering the pageant. तो I said 26 मेरा नाम है, मुझे वापस दे दीजिए फॉर्म, मुझे नहीं जाना है. So he said, but why? I said, are you serious? She's just so beautiful. She's just so beautiful. She's already a known face. तो इस साल नहीं. तो मुझे बहुत पड़ी थी घर आके वापस मम्मी से, क्योंकि she said, अंधों में काना राजा बनकर क्या फ़ायदा? If you think she's beautiful, if you think she's so fantastic, then lose to her or win to her. Don't go when there is no competition.
Correct.
So I think it, yes, I was very scared of it.
तो सुष्मिता सेन का स्टाइल मंत्र क्या होगा?
स्टाइल मंत्र, ये तो आप मेरे साथ जो बैठे हैं उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, बिकॉज इन्होंने मुझे मेरी एंटायर फिल्म करियर में मेरे स्टाइल को डेवलप करने में, उसे अपनाने में बहुत मदद की है. मेरे लिए स्टाइल एक बहुत ही पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट है, विच मीन्स कि द फैशन इंडस्ट्री आपको हर साल, हर सीज़न कलर्स देती है, टेक्सचर्स देती है, फैब्रिक्स देती है, मगर ये आपका काम है टू डिसाइड करना कि ये मेरे साथ सूट होता है कि नहीं, ये मेरी पर्सनालिटी के साथ कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है कि नहीं. That belt that you're wearing, for example, please close up. That's a belt.
No, my stomach.
That's a style statement, which is very stylish because of the way you carry it. अगर ये कोई और पहने तो शायद वो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So it's really a matter
over
of
the top.
Yeah, you know, he pulls it off really well. So.
Are you politely telling me that it's over the top?
No, absolutely not, dear.
Okay,
Over the top. You're looking at Miss Over the Top very many times.
But you know, Sushmita, there are a lot of actresses who look very stylish on screen. They look glamorous, but their personal style, you know, sometimes a lot of people say, but they don't look like that personally. मगर आपका personal style भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank
कि
you.
carriage है और आप black बहुत पहनती हैं.
जी, बिल्कुल.
Trousers, jackets. तो in fact, you're one of those few actresses जिसका personal style बहुत ही अच्छा है. So how did that develop? I mean, because traveling helped you when you became
Yes,
Miss Universe. You met a lot of
absolutely.
designers.
You know, Manish, I come from a middle class family और middle class में शौक की कमी नहीं होती. You know, we have shocks, we want to do different things, but we have limited resources and we have to work around it. So बचपन से मुझे ये था कि one day I'd love to go into a shop and say, ये भी पैक कर दो, वो भी पैक कर दो, उसे भी डाल दो, हाँ ये भी दे देनी. You know, and don't ask the price for anything. I just want all this. You know, it's like a Cinderella story. And the day I finally did that was at Fred's in Los Angeles, in Beverly Hills, actually Rodeo Drive. And I thought to myself, it's like a rasta. रास्ते के इस तरफ और उस तरफ, ये रास्ता क्रॉस करने में मुझे 10 साल लग गए. But that feeling of achieving a moment when everything I was getting or wanting or wearing was very, even though I could have had anything, I still had that sense of, nahin, this is lovely, but it won't look good on me. That came from extensive traveling. That came from a deep-rooted desire कि मुझे अपने आप को जिस बॉडी में हम रहते हैं उसका ख्याल रखना है. इसलिए नहीं कि you be a diva or you be a beautiful woman, because beauty is also very internal for me. Ultimately, this is how people see you for the first time. And there has to be a sense of approachability कि ये इंसान अच्छा लगता है, इस इंसान की का presentation अच्छा है. I feel like talking to this person. So मेरे लिए ज़्यादा hi-fi नहीं है fashion. For me, it is a very direct link of communicating with people, with everything that you are.
आप हमेशा जब पर्सनल कपड़ों में ब्लैक बहुत पहनती हैं,
बहुत
जैकेट्स
ज़्यादा.
एंड ट्राउजर्स.
एक वक्त था, एक्चुअली ये बता नहीं रहे हैं, लेकिन वो पहली फिल्म के दौरान एक वक्त था जब मनीष घर पर आए, उन्होंने मेरा कबर्ड खोला एंड ही वेंट, ईक्स, ये तो समझ में कैसे आता है, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू वेयर व्हेन, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग ऑन द हैंगर्स वर ब्लैक, एवरीथिंग, आई मीन एवरीथिंग, माय कैजुअल, फॉर्मल, सेमी फॉर्मल, एवरीथिंग वाज ब्लैक.
स्टाइल इज वेरी क्लासिक.
या आई वो पता नहीं क्यों, यू नो, बचपन से मतलब, ओके, नाउ लेट्स गेट रियल.
Okay.
I think from the age of 16, 17, when you should be in your, you know, capris and colors, I always was attracted to the color black, always. मेरे लिए black एक बहुत ही powerful color है. It evokes a sense of power, it evokes a sense of classicness, कि कितने भी सीजन्स आए जाए, लोगों के कपड़े के स्टाइल्स बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन ब्लैक एक ऐसा कलर है जो it never goes out of fashion. So yes, I've loved it, but then I have to give you a little secret. As I'm getting younger, I am slowly deciding that black is beautiful for certain times of a day, of the night. The rest of the time you should have colors.
So आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत कलर आ रहा है. Black is reducing and a lot of colors coming.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. अब I think it's time for me to wear white. It's time for me to wear pastel colors. It's time for me to wear deep wines and deep maroons. I don't know what it is about, you know, these colors.
मैं हूँ ना, with sarees really popular. I mean, a lot of Indian actresses have worn sarees. People have, you know, people wear sarees. They love sarees. But मैं हूँ ना, I thought redefine them. And the way Farah presented you, your hair flying, and every time you walked in it, and you carried it off very well. Did you think that would happen when you were shooting for the film? That your sarees would become such a rage?
I want to do this like on camera. Give me your back, please. Back.
That's why I asked this question.
Yeah, see you? Yeah, of course, Manish Malhotra had designed my entire look for Main Hoon Na, and Farah, 100%. She is just such a fantastic woman director.
Yeah.
That she knows these little details. In fact, जब पहली बार उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि मुझे पूरी फिल्म में केमिस्ट्री टीचर के रोल में साड़ी पहननी है, I said, Farah, you got to be joking. मैंने तब तक साड़ी कभी पहनी नहीं थी. So for me, it was like, no, chiffons, that's even more difficult to carry. So if I may say this on your show, पहले 5-6 दिन मैं साड़ी लुंगी की तरह उठा के सेट पे घूमती थी बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू वेयर वन, ड्रेप वन और कैरी वन. बट यस, आई हैव टू एडमिट कि मैं हूं ना के साथ ना सिर्फ visually as an actor, as a style statement, saris came back in a big way. But personally for me, I realized that एक हिंदुस्तानी औरत के लिए एक साड़ी से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत, ज़्यादा feminine और कोई attire नहीं हो सकता. Because it just gives you everything and leaves so much to your imagination.
That's true.
You know, you just have to imagine
just
a
looks
woman
very sensuous.
in that sari.
Yeah.
So yeah, you've had a very big hand in changing my mind, and I have to say today I have draped my sari myself, and with only
Yay.
2 pins, which is a very big achievement.
But you've always broken cliches. Never as an actress, you have a daughter, and you've given interviews on it. You had photo sessions, and you're such a lovely mother. I've seen you. You're such a caring mother.
Thank you.
And did it ever strike you that will it affect your career, or will people say?
It didn't strike me, but it did strike a lot of people around me.
Yeah.
'Cause
But it didn't. Eventually, it didn't.
Eventually it did. That's a very lovely question you asked, Manish, because shuru mein, when I made this decision, a lot of people from my business, from my profession, came up to me and said, you do realize that you're taking a very big responsibility and step. People will get a little, will she be able to do this because she has responsibility, she has a baby and she's this and that. And I said, look, there is only so much that I would walk. मैं सिर्फ इतने दूर तक जाऊंगी जहाँ तक मेरे प्रोफेशन, मेरे करियर, मेरे फेम, सेलिब्रिटीहुड का सवाल है. उसके आगे और उसके बाद मैं हूँ, इंसान हूँ, और वो पर्सनल डिसीजंस मेरे लाइफ में मेरे करियर के साथ जिसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. सो व्हेन आई डू अ फिल्म, I don't take my daughter with me because I'd not be a good mother there, and I will not be a good actor because I'll be doing both at the same time. So I've been able to divide that, but सच पूछे तो आसान काम नहीं है. Sometimes you do get bogged down by it, but mostly जहाँ पर self belief होता है, जहाँ पर you believe you can make something happen, वहाँ पर miracles हो ही जाते हैं,
Also, I think आप जो भी करती हैं 100% देती हैं. I remember telling Farah कि whenever we go give a fitting to you, and you're always so warm and loving, and that one feels really nice. And I used to always tell this to Farah. I mean, I should tell you this on my show. जब भी हम लोग बाहर आते थे, ऐसे there's something so nice about her. You feel really, I mean, she gets you excited, even creatively, because she's excited about what you're showing her, and the clothes, or even if she has to say like, let's change this, there's a way of doing it, and that's the way she does that so well, and you just want to go back and do that for her,
Oh, how wonderful.
So आप में एक ये quality है, इसलिए I think लोग आपको दीवा कहते हैं, सिर्फ कपड़ों की वजह से नहीं.
Now see, I have for the first time understood diva as a very different definition. और आपके definition के मुताबिक आज के बाद please take it for granted, Sushmita Diva Sen. Yeah, this is it.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Time for some fun. I'll ask you some fast track questions.
Okay.
The first fast track question is, what lasts more, love at first sight or love over the years?
Oh, definitely love over the years, which can incidentally also have love at first sight as a part of it.
Okay.
But love at first sight doesn't necessarily have love over the years.
Men make better conversation in the drawing room or in the bedroom?
Now that depends which man we're talking about. You can't generalize that answer. But I think definitely in the drawing room. The bedroom, they hardly talk. No?
Okay, I think so. I would think so too. What is more attractive in a man, success or wealth?
Ooh, success. A
Which is your-
successful man will always be wealthy.
Which is your type, Big Daddy or Mama's boy?
Oh, that's a very tough one. It would have to be a mixture of both, because Mama's boy would be nice, because in theory आपको पता है कि जो Mama's boy है वो eventually अपने baby के मामा का भी ख्याल रखेगा. But other than that, Big Daddy, definitely, because you kind of want that in your life also.
Are women to be nurtured or are they meant to nurture?
Oh, they're meant for both. They're meant for both, क्योंकि एक पेड़ आपको फल तभी देता है जब उसे सींचा जाए पहले.
Deadly.
Very good.
Very well
Sush.
said.
Well done.
Wow. Are you better in the kitchen or in bed?
I don't know the first thing about the kitchen. That's my sister's department, I'm afraid. So, therefore, understand.
Okay. Which combination is more apt, women and gossip or men and sex?
Men and gossip.
Really? Yeah, actually, men gossip more than women.
Yes, they do.
What is more stylish according to you, beer or wine?
Oh, definitely wine. Even though I have to say beer is nice and fashionable if you're at a pub. You can't literally be going to a pub and sipping
Asking
on
for a glass
wine.
of
So
wine,
it's got its own place.
Does time heal hurt faster or love?
Oh, hurt is an expression of love. So definitely love.
Marriage or live-in?
Okay, now this is very interesting. Does he get to do this all the time? I mean, marriage or live-in? Live-in that turns into marriage.
What's your scene, speed or tranquility?
Tranquility, definitely.
Thank you so much for being here today. It
Oh,
was
absolutely.
great
What
fun.
a pleasure. And I must congratulate you. I think you have a rocking show and I think
Oh,
आप लोगों
sweet,
के
thank
लिए
you.
ये एक इतना अच्छा opportunity है to express and to understand.
And have some fun as well.
Absolutely. He's such a rocking guy. I mean, you have to have fun with him. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you for this.